Sumba, also known as the Forgotten Island of Indonesia, located between the islands of Komodo and Sumbawa, been for a while on my travel list. Finally, my dream came true and spent 3 weeks exploring this unique island, learning about their tradition, indigenous culture, and the ancestral religion of Marapu, and also got to explore the island's rich landscapes. I am really excited to show you this part of Indonesia and that you are joining to me for this adventure.
Ready for the trip? Yeah?
Mecca and Singa, my Indonesian cat family, is also coming with us for this adventure. The ferry took us in 8 hours from Sape to Waikelo ferry port in Sumba. We started our road trip by watching the sun rising above the Sumbanese island. Hunger and the smell of coffee were calling us for our first stop, where we got to experience the friendliness and the kindness of the local people. After continuing our drive for another 1.5 hours, we spotted the most turquoise blue water we could wish for.
Ew! Wow! Oh my god, I wanna be in the water!
Our plans were to start with camping, and we found the perfect spot to pitch our tents under the shades of some trees and just a few steps away from the perfect wave a surfer could wish for.
So we set up our place for the night. One tent here, another tent there, hammock, preparing the fire, gonna burn all these plastics, cleaning up the space. And this is our view. So incredible, beautiful.
After setting up our jungle camp, we ladies started to clean up the plastic, what was unfortunately laying all around us. It was the men's job to go get some fish for the dinner.
Red snapper, please.
Red snapper.
Tuna. Or parrotfish.
Tuna.
Wow.
Who wants swordfish?
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, or barracuda. Can we wish barracuda as well?
Right. Okay, mancing time.
What will you bring?
Well, I heard tuna, red snapper, what
Barracuda.
else? Barracuda,
Yeah.
lobster. Let's see, octopus. You guys want
No,
octopus?
but maybe
No
diamonds or
octopus.
pearl.
Okay, all right. We'll find an oyster and find a pearl. All right, got to keep these girls happy. Here's your horse.
Ooh.
Well, they came back without any fish, blaming the blurry conditions, so it was my job to cook up something for the group. I decided for a simple favorite food of mine called menemen, what is a delicious Turkish dish made mainly from eggs and tomatoes.
It's a lot of eggs. Wow.
Yeah.
Normally it's a lot of tomatoes and less eggs. The portions are now, but it's fine. Yeah, right?
After filling our bellies with good food, we were all ready for the very well-deserved sleep.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow.
We started our day with a really fun surf. Well, and as it happens most of the time, all your friends are out in the water too and no one wants to film. But thanks, Ahmed, at least you got the last section of my wave before I decided it's time for breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some good ones.
You're so much.
After surf, we hopped on the bike again and went exploring. We were driving through lush green valleys and mountains till the eyes can see to visit a beautiful waterfall called Waikelo Sarah, what translates to waterfall of the rice fields in the local language. First, we wanted to see the cave from where the waterfall pours down to the rice fields below. Sometimes it is possible to have a swim in the cave, but definitely not when we were there. The locals control the flow of the water to irrigate the rice fields beneath. And the time when we were there was a lot of water pouring down and it was just really dangerous to get close.
Got into this nice waterfall here. Obviously the water doesn't look like on the pictures because it's rainy season now, so it's a little bit dirty, but it's amazing to see how much water and with what power is just coming through. It's insane. It was a little bit scary to go up there. Just one wrong step and you are definitely gone. And now we are walking to the other side of this waterfall. It's like a 10 minutes walk from the beginning. And
Look at that.
cool plants.
They're called sensitive plant. And what else?
Wow.
Nickname like a shy plant. Touch me nots.
Ooh, look at that, how they
Yeah,
change
how
the
cool,
leaves.
huh?
Wow. Whoa. Look at this huge bamboo. Wow. I never seen such a strong bamboo. Huge. Holy moly.
We had a short 10 minutes walk to discover the most visited part of the waterfall, surrounded by rice paddies. In the dry season, you can enjoy a swim in the crystal clear blue water, what looks absolutely stunning. Even though we didn't swim because of the strong currents, we still enjoy the beautiful scenery this place has to offer.
Started to fly the drone and then it seems like it's come some heavy rain. But thanks God we could find some shelter, right?
Radio.
Right time in the right spot.
You can drive.
After the rain stopped, we hopped back on our bikes and we were heading to a local village to see and to learn more about the Sumbanese culture and traditions.
Going to visit now a traditional village here in Waikelo Sumba. Would like to see how they live, the houses, the art they do, the special fabrics they are working with. We just stopped in a store to buy some sweets for the kids there. It's like a nice thing to do before you enter the village. To look at this beautiful ikat. You made this? You? So nice. It's everything dyed with ayam, yeah, with natural leaves and roots. Really sustainable, traditional from Sumba. It's they are weaving this and it's called ikat. Let's check out this village. Hello.
Nice.
What is this? Beans?
It's like fruit,
plant.
fruit beans, yeah.
Look, at first I thought it's like crystal. Nice.
Yang berapa harga ini? 51, huh?
Beautiful. Everything handmade.
Ah, nice. Wow, very nice.
Beautiful, nice village. Makasih banyak.
We got invited to have a look inside in one of these houses, also known as Batangu. These traditional peat houses are built according to Marapu, the local ancestral religion, and are divided into 3 levels. The lower level below the house is for livestock, the middle level on the ground floor is for household and everyday activities. The Sumbanese people believe that the roof connects the world of the living and the afterlife, where the ancestors or the Marapu reside. This top level is the sacred space and is therefore the most important feature of the house. This is also where they store food stocks.
Everything handmade from the sky lady. From Sumba. Yeah. Beautiful. This is where they cook. In the middle. Really nice here inside. I'm surprised that it's not at all hot in here, like the way how they build these traditional houses. So there's like different levels. There in the middle is the kitchen, and there they store the food. And here they are sleeping.
Yeah.
Really big. Wow. It's really amazing to see how they build these houses. It's such a beautiful village, full of art, full of really nice people. Wow, look at all these water buffalo skulls. Wow.
We found a really nice family who invited us sitting with them and tell us about the Sumbanese culture and the Marapu.
All together, just for one ikat, small like this can be one month.
Wow. Wow, it's a
One
long time,
man,
isn't it?
small one.
Wow.
And you dye it with natural, like plants, leaves, and roots, right?
Yeah, like for them, brown color it's coming from mahogany, blue from indigo, but there is a local name also with turmeric, like
Turmeric.
turmeric, and also from tamarind bark.
So nice.
Wow. It's so amazing.
How do people live here?
Because we are still keeping the old believing of Sumba. We call it Marapu believing, and Marapu don't pray every day because we believe our praying is our behavior in daily life is our praying. Believe in karma. So
I believe in karma too.
yeah, so that's why Marapu believing the people who are still in Marapu don't pray every day. But if somebody's stealing, he will get his own consequence,
yeah.
his own karma. When we go to the forest to cut the big wood for the new house, we always ask. We believe this in this big spirit. There is other spirit who live there.
Unfortunately, the sound quality got here really bad, but what the lady told us is that they believe everything has a spirit. Before cutting out any tree, they ask for a permission from the spirit of the tree, and if they got a yes from the spirits, then they can cut it, but if not, that they won't. These people believe in karma and that everything has to be in balance.
Straight like this.
Yeah.
It's always up and down, up and down.
Symbol of
but
life.
the empty part, you see, that's how we feel our life. We feel it in good way or bad way.
She also explained us how they believe that it is our responsibility how we live our lives. We can create our own heaven or hell with our actions and their consequences, also can call it karma. The pattern used on the ikat is reflecting the very important lesson of the ups and downs in life, and that there is a space between what we should feel with good acts and deeds if we want to create our own heaven on earth. The Sumbanese people praying to God not with their words, but rather with their actions. These people still practice mabukala, the practice of living with their deceased family member.
There are the tombs,
which is rooted in the belief that the soul of the deceased is still present and the family has the responsibility to take care for
it was
them.
the same what was in the ikan,
Yeah.
way of life, the ups and downs.
Until they can afford the appropriate burial rituals.
Papaya tree. Some plants here what they use for cooking. Let's check out. Hello, apa kabar? So nice. From wood. It is beautiful, yeah. Could buy many of these. Wow.
The people in the village are the living example of Marapu and the Sumbanese traditions. It is important to come here with cultural sensitivity and respect to their deeply rooted beliefs and way of living. After adventuring the whole day, we drove back to Waikelo for dinner. But before, I found a really cool store to check out.
So I just randomly find this store and they are full of local stuff, handmade arts and crafts and coffee, chocolate, all the good things. Before going to the next place, I will buy some more coffee and chocolate. How is the pizza?
Not too shabby. Cucumber, carrots, something I've never had on a pizza. And yeah, it's all right.
Let's see. Cucumber on a pizza.
Well, it works somehow.
But it's good. Definitely after a long day of adventuring.
Pizza. What could be
Pizza.
better?